looking for a giant rectangled lake. We're going to travel down the Hawking River in order to find this. Gotta go through nature, which is in the middle of the city. But there's the land bridge. Told you it was there. I was really hoping and thinking this would be a pretty walk, but tired. Tired. There's another one out there. Hard to see. The littering and people not caring is destroying amazing things that this world has. Like, this water is pretty once you look at it from afar, once you pay closer attention to it. Yeah.
It is up to us to change the world, to better our environment, to save it before it's too late. And our children do not get the opportunity, do not get the chance to appreciate and enjoy the simple beauties of life. There is a land bridge right there. It leads between everything. Let's go see what's here. Hoping I don't step in yucky nothing. I'm glad we're not in the south no more, so I ain't gotta be afraid of black widows and brunt recluses and all the crazy things. Get caught up in something weird. What is this? That is random. Very interesting. Like, what is the true point and purpose of this kind of ground? Hey, look, a ball. We're bringing something back with us. That's crazy. Look at it. Look. Middle of all this, ew. Snails, shellfish, something. And a purple ball. My ball. Now, look at the size of these things. They're huge. I wonder what lives in these. What?
Don't fall in.
Try not to. I found some really cool stuff. And a tire. Look at the size of these things though. I want to see the snail or whatever's in them. What's over here? Somebody clearly comes down here. I could totally make it to the other side, but this is where I wanted to be. All around, surrounded by water, on a random land bridge. Like I said, from Google Maps, this place looks so much more prettier, so much more nicer. But from here, it's kind of nasty, it's kind of yucky. Like, pollution in the city and people destroying our planet has taken over and changed a remarkably beautiful environment into a dumping ground for bullcrap for no good reason. But this is the world we're in now. This is how things have become. People just do not care anymore about our world, and they should. Things like this is beautiful. I would love to be able to take my children down here to play and have fun, but no, I'm afraid they might get some sort of infection from the nasty water, or I don't know. It smells horrible down here. The ground is not pretty. Maybe in the springtime it would be nice. The water is murky and nasty looking, filled with garbage and other such things. It is up to us to change the world, to to better our environment, to save it before it's too late. And our children do not get the opportunity, do not get the chance to appreciate and enjoy the simple beauties of life and nature in the world. So the ball's in our hands, in your hands, in my hands, in their hands. Are we gonna better the world? Or are we just gonna keep making it crap and let it continue to fall apart and become garbage? I'm gonna change the world a little bit at a time. I'm gonna do my darndest. With your help, maybe we can make a difference. So I guess to end this part, life is beautiful, y'all. Even under ocean ice, which means when something brings a tear to your eye, there is still utter beauty out there. Still amazingness. There's garbage behind me, but you ignore it and you look. It's gorgeous, it's lovely, it's amazing, it's nice. But I guess for the next part of our video, we're gonna go explore the mall again. So I will see you in there. I got my shells. I got my wiffle ball. I'll see you at the mall, y'all. And so we're trekking from the land bridge, back up the hill, backwards down the path, leading into the mall. We got cinnamon sticks.
Pretzel sticks.
Show the cameras. Cheese done made them angry.